So the cat's out of the bag. Bitcoin Cash added to CoinBase, added to GDAX. What does this mean? Well, what's going on, guys? So last night, Bitcoin Cash was added to CoinBase. Oh, what a bad move. What a bad move for CoinBase. What a bad move for the overall crypto world. There's a couple reasons this is a bad move, and I want to explain in this video. So the big issue here is now we have so much confusion. People were texting me, people were calling me saying, what's the deal with Bitcoin Cash? What is it? What's Bitcoin Cash? It's so much confusion. Right off the bat, people were like, is it Bitcoin? Is it a new thing? Should I buy Bitcoin Cash? What do I do here? So right there, bad. So you have all this confusion because of the name. So now we have Bitcoin Cash added to CoinBase. And that's just not good for the overall crypto world because it's just confusing for the first time investors. They're going to get on to CoinBase. They're going to look. They're going to see Bitcoin Cash. They're going to see Bitcoin. And not going to understand what's the difference. The big difference here is that Roger Ver, whatever you want to call it, Bcash has been pumping this. This is literally a manipulation of the overall crypto world. And this is not good for the crypto world because it shows how one really rich person can manipulate the overall crypto world. And for Coinbase to do this, again, really kind of shows like, hey, what is Coinbase doing? Coinbase already couldn't handle the pressure of having Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin. Their servers crashed weekly, but now they want to add a fourth, which they rolled out last night, which crashed, obviously. You can see Bitcoin Cash. Look at this candle. This thing opened up at the $3,000 area, and it ran all the way up there to $9,500 before they finally closed it down. GDAX, Coinbase, locked it off. So last night they were like, hey, this is too volatile, this is too crazy, and they turned it off until this morning, 9 a.m. Pacific time. So it'll reopen at that point. They're going to put the orders out there so people can see where the liquidity is. And I'm kind of worried because people who bought this at $9,000, they're going to be screwed because overall in the markets, overall in the rest of the world, Bitcoin Cash is only trading at $3,000. So somebody bought Bitcoin Cash last night at the $9,500 area. I mean, there's a lot of orders there. Somebody was buying. Overall, there was only 3,000 actual Bitcoin Cash coins traded. Coinbase, why would you do this? This is not good. This is not a good move. Obviously, Coinbase doesn't care what I think or a lot of other people think. A lot of actual people in the cryptocurrency world who kind of saw this coming, who thought this was a bad idea. The funny thing is Coinbase actually in the past talked about how they did not want to support Bitcoin Cash, how they thought that it would create confusion in the overall crypto world, and that's exactly what they're doing. So what is going on? Roger Ver, once again, making money here off this mutation of a cryptocurrency here with Bitcoin Cash. This is a bad move for the crypto world. Coinbase is one of the largest, quickest, easiest ways for new investors to come in and buy cryptocurrencies. And now they're basically creating all this confusion, creating all these issues, and then again, overloading their systems, not able to keep up with the volume, not able to keep up with the price action. You can see how bad this is. Look at this move though, from 3,000 up there to 9,500 before they turned it off saying, hey, okay, hold on. Bitcoin Cash, this is not good. I am not a big fan of it. It's not just because I love Litecoin. It's because I think Bitcoin Cash is a total scam, total manipulation of the market. Last night, Bitcoin got crushed. Litecoin got crushed. Everything got crushed because of this whole debacle over GDAX, over Coinbase having these issues, over this basically just hitting the overall markets. And let's talk about the actual insider trading info. I guarantee people out there knew that Coinbase was going to add Bitcoin Cash. The people who worked at Coinbase told people. Roger Ver for sure knew. People knew about it because in the last couple of days, Bitcoin Cash has been steadily rising and, just steadily weirdly rising. Everyone's like, why is Bitcoin Cash going up? And then all of a sudden, boom, Coinbase adds Bitcoin Cash and it skyrockets and goes huge. I guarantee some of those insiders sold into this push, this initial push here, and double, triple, quadrupled their money. I saw that Charlie Lee sold his Bitcoin Cash at $5,000. So people were able to sell. The orders were going through. There's a lot of manipulation here. Insider trading, it's really just bad for the crypto world. It paints a bad picture for the crypto world. Paints a bad picture that, hey, anybody can hard fork Bitcoin and then turn it into Bitcoin Cash or whatever they want to turn it into. And you can see how this is not good. This is not a good move, Coinbase. I really wish they would have listened to the overall consensus that Bitcoin Cash is not supposed to be traded like this. And now creating all this confusion for new time investors, for new people who don't understand the difference between Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. Really just a bad idea. I know people complain about the wait times, the issues with Bitcoin recently, just because overloading the system, how slow it is to send back and forth. But I think it was working out good. Bitcoin was kind of growing as a store of value, and then Litecoin could have been the peer-to-peer, quick, smaller transaction fees and getting all that stuff done. And we could have used the atomic swaps. The Lightning Network would finally be implemented on Bitcoin soon. It would speed it up. And I think that's a great partnership. So you got Bitcoin, you got Litecoin, and these two work together great. But now you're adding Bitcoin Cash into all this and creating more issues, creating more uncertainty, and creating more confusion in the overall cryptocurrency world, really for the new time investors like I'm talking about here for Coinbase.